I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day.
I open the window for fresh air. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I put on my shoes by the door. I put on my shoes by the door. I drink orange juice for breakfast. I drink orange juice for breakfast. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I sit next to my friend in class. I sit next to my friend in class.
I write notes in my notebook. Write notes in my notebook.
I ask my teacher a question. I ask my teacher a question. I eat a sandwich for lunch.
I drink water. After, I exercise.
Yum. I help my mom in the kitchen.
I feed my cat every evening.
I clean my room on weekends. I call my friend after school. I watch English videos every day.
I practice English words at night.
I write new words in my diary.
I listen to English songs in the morning.
I study English for 30 minutes. I repeat words out loud every day. I buy a snack at the school shop.
I water my plants every morning.
I cook simple food for dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner.
I brush my hair before bed.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I close my eyes and sleep well.